it's Heidi Gammill. I'm a closet coach. I help women to curate a wardrobe she loves. 2 more tips about wearing pants, because you want to do it right. You have to pay very close attention to the fabric of your pants. If you do not want to look casual, then you don't want to choose casual fabrics. So linen is going to look very casual, as will cotton. And in addition to fabric, you have to pay very close attention to fit. So those are 2 tips. When you, fit is so important. You can get help from a seamstress. You can get them altered. Of course, you want them to fit around the waist and fall straight from your hips. That's going to give you a really great look. It's going to make your legs look super long. And especially if you wear them with heels, then even better. So, like I said, I'm a closet coach. I help women to do this. One of my superpowers, I have to say, I'm just gonna put it out there. One of my superpowers is coming into your closet and you say, I have nothing to wear. And I say, I beg to differ. I am able to go into your closet and show you, demonstrate how to get the most out of what you already own. And so that's a part of getting coached in your closet. It's part of the package. You walk away with so many outfits that you never even imagined you had. So this is Heidi with Mess Pretty. I help women to curate a wardrobe she loves. Pay very close attention to the fabric of your pants and the fit. And I highly recommend, just slow down. Make sure you have saved some money so that you can buy something of quality. Quality fabric is just always going to look nice. It's going to hang beautifully on your body, as opposed to the deal. And you can always tell when you got the deal. Just saying. Have a fantastic evening. Go get some pants. And if you haven't saved any money yet, save your money so you can go get some pants. Have a good night. Bye.